So a lot of people are facing this issue where they can't link their Instagram account on their TikTok account on the social part, where they can't link their Instagram account with their TikTok account. They found an error which says unable to link Instagram. For further assistance, contact Instagram support. So I have made a research and found that. So this is the message where someone reached to TikTok support, and so that they face the problem where they can't link their Instagram account on their TikTok account, and it says, "Hi there, thanks for reaching out to us. Right now Instagram is going through an update, so you'll be unable to link your TikTok account to your Instagram account at this time. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you, James." So this is the reply from TikTok, as it is there's an issue going on the Instagram end, so you can't link your TikTok account with your Instagram account. You can't for now. Maybe in the future update, but as I'm recording this video, you can't link your Instagram account with your TikTok account. You'll just get an error message that says unable to link Instagram. So if this information is helpful to you, then make sure to share, and thank you so much for watching. See